Hi there, Dr. Cary here. Today I'm going to go over how to book an appointment if you have not been to the clinic for a while. So go to our website, www.tuttstreetfamilychiropractic.com, and then you're going to want to click on the Book Now button. And when you do, you're going to look for the third option right here. So this is the first, the second, and the third one says reassessment for existing patients that have not been in for 90 days or more, or they have a new complaint. So if you have a new complaint, or if you haven't been in for 90 days or more, this is the right option for you. Click on that checkbox and then click continue. When you do, you're going to see the days and times that are available. Click on a day and a time, and then your information will automatically be loaded. Your phone number, email address, first and last name, and if there's any notes you want me to have, type in, I hurt my back, lifting. And then click book appointment. When you do, you're going to get a confirmation of the appointment, and then you'll get a reminder 24 hours in advance via email, and you'll get a reminder 2 hours in advance via text.